Hi, my name is Käßner and I'm a product expert at WAKU Robotics. Today I want to show you how to add new devices to the WAKU platform. To do this, let's take a look at the device overview in your workspace, where you can already see all the existing devices. Using the button Add New Device, we can now select a new device of different types, for example a robot, but also other types like stationary devices or other automation devices. After that, we assign a name, select the manufacturer and the appropriate model, and can create this new device. This now creates a file as a digital representation of your hardware in the warehouse. You can now find these devices in a device overview. In the digital file, you can see basic information about the hardware in order to assign the right hardware device to the digital copy. The basic information are a logbook function, real-time data if you have a data connector installed, as well as a more in-depth information about the past maintenance, maintenance plans associated with the device, repairs, spare parts and much more. A single device can now also be assigned to a deployment. For the deployments, we go to the deployment overview and see the different deployments that already exist. A deployment is typically a location or a part of your location, such as Hall A, Hall B. Now, after creating a deployment, for example Munich South, a robot can be assigned to it. So here we select IFA1, which we just created and added to the deployment Munich South. Back in the device overview, we can now see which device is in use at which location. Based on the information about your devices, we can now define an intelligent maintenance strategy. Learn more about this in our other video. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. For more exciting videos, check out our WAKU Robotics YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. See you next time.